how to check Twitter analytics. So if you want to check your Twitter analytics, then first you just need to open up your Twitter application, or you can go with x.com or twitter.com and make sure to log into your account. And once you've logged in, now you just need to simply go with the premium option, because if you don't have a premium, then you will not be able to check your Twitter analytics. So once you go with the premium, make sure that you have your premium. And once you get your premium, you just need to simply go with more option. Under more, here you will have an option of analytics. So simply go with the analytics option. So here I'll be showing you an example. So you just need to simply go with the more option, and once you go with the more, here you will have analytics option. So simply click on the analytics, and once you go with the analytics, now this will bring up the main Twitter analytics dashboard. From here, click on the tweets at the top to view a monthly overview of all of your Twitter post performance. So you will have this kind of activity, or this kind of analytics. You'll be able to see how many impressions that your post have made, and you will have the top post, post and replies, promoted one, and how many impressions you've get. So this was in your browser, but if you want to access your Twitter analytics on your mobile, then you just need to simply go with the post, and under your post you will have an option of view analytics, and then you just need to simply click on view analytics, and you'll be able to have your post activity. You'll have this kind of interface, which is post activity, and under your post activity you will be able to have the Twitter analytics. So that's how you can check your Twitter analytics, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.